Hey guys, Luke here with Foxscapes. We got a cool project to end the year. This one's going to be a hardscape. We got a dining area, a big patio. They're going to put a lot of tables and chairs out there because they host a lot. We got a paver walkway to go in, and then we have a hot tub, an in-ground fiberglass hot tub we're putting in. The client really wants this done by Christmas because we're going to have up to 50 people over to celebrate, and we got that timeline to deal with, so let's see if we can get it done in time. This isn't just any patio, there's actually quite a lot going on here. It's going to be an extensive project. So the customer did have this addition put on, a beautiful addition to the home, and that's kind of what spurred this whole project. We got to have some steps coming out. Over here they're going to have like a freestanding bar, a prep table for their Blackstone. On the right you can see they just did the excavation there. And this big patio here is going to be about 800 square foot just on this side of the home. And that's going to have some inlays to fit around the furniture that they selected, because they tend to host like up to 30 people and they cook for a lot of people. It's almost like a restaurant setting out here. So that was the first part we're taking care of right now. They have this pre-existing walkway that goes all the way around the house. It's behind me right now, and with this project we're going to add on to it, make it new. It's going to kind of weave through the patio. Here it's going to split off in a circle, kind of go to the yard or carry on over to the driveway where it curves around and connects right where the existing one is already. The other side of the addition, you can see behind me, they got these big doors. So we're gonna have a step coming out there to about a 400 square foot patio where they're gonna have a hot tub in the ground. So they have an auto cover that's gonna come over, cover the hot tub, retract, go back on the other side of the hot tub. Again, that hot tub's gonna be fully sunken in the ground. This is their little oasis away from the restaurant scene, you know. Nice, close to the home, hop in, get warm, enjoy the outdoors. This project's gonna take us all the way through and beyond Christmas. It's gonna be a beautiful backyard landscape. We look forward to showing you guys our progress here. So the patio itself is going to be about 2,000 square feet. It's going to be made mostly out of Unilock product. The client's old patio, they wanted to reuse that block, so we use it as banding layer in the new patio. Just kind of turn the block over and cleaned it up and use it in the new patio. Some of the challenges that we're facing here is they have multiple contractors on the site at the same time. So they have like a home remodel, home addition actually going on, and then they've got a hot tub coming in too, which we're subcontracting out. So there's up to 7, 8 contractors there at one time in the backyard. We're all kind of stepping over each other. So we kind of have to prioritize not how we typically would complete the project. We got to do a little bit here, do a little bit here, just because there's people that have to get stuff done in a certain order. So we're working around a lot of people here. So we started this project, it's about late November. We're going to carry it as late as we can to the season, but the temps are consistently below 40, a lot of times below 30 in the mornings and in the evenings. Some challenges that we do face with the weather like that is that with the number 9 limestone, we use it a lot when we're laying on pavers, our bedding layer, that will freeze up. It's got a little bit of moisture in it, so we got to wait for that to thaw out to even work with it. Our machines are frozen to the ground in the morning, and sometimes it's just kind of tough to be working all day long out in the cold, so we're gonna brave this and keep it going. As the days are getting closer to Christmas, we got to shift our focus to the hot tub. We got the whole almost 1,000 square foot dining area patio laid. But now that the hot tub's in, we can actually start working over there, and the days are getting really close. We got to build that surround and hopefully get a walkway to the hot tub. We're on one of our landscape projects right now. It's late December. The weather's actually pretty good. It's about 40 degrees outside. We're getting done what we can. Temps are going to drop, and we're really not going to be able to work too much after this week. So let me show you guys what we got going on this job site. This is one of the main patios. We started here about a month ago, and this is the first thing we put in. We got like this paver inlay. Nothing too crazy. This is where they're going to put a couple circular tables right here in the middle. They got their Blackstone that they cook on all the time. right over there. And then just like a nice step coming out here. The thing that sparked this whole project was this bump out right here from about this point forward is an addition on the home. They have this great room, super tall ceilings, a loft. And so the old patio had to be ripped out and something new had to come in here. One of the criteria of our customer here was that they wanted a hot tub in here. We actually have an in-ground hot tub. Although it looks like it's above ground a little bit, it's actually buried about 10-12 inches below what you see below into the ground. So when you actually sit in the hot tub, your feet are below the grade of the outside yard. It's a fiberglass hot tub. It's got some jets. It's going to have an auto cover. We're still working on that. We're going to get a little bit of the coping unit on here today. We've got another step over here just to kind of mirror the other side. Same coping, same pavers, same laying pattern, and then this beautiful walkway. It's got a nice finish to it. When they manufacture these pavers, kind of like a gloss look on the surface. It's sealed. It comes sealed. And you can just see like the way the sun's reflecting off these pavers. It's just like a nicer high-end look, and the herringbone pattern is just a beautiful pattern too. It's really classy, really timeless. So we're just going to keep on chugging along today, see what we can get done. We're going to get some of the coping unit up there on the hot tub and get some of the more of the walkway laid and call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching our progress here. This was definitely a fun project late in the season. In the spring we'll be back. We're going to do the full landscape surround, some drip irrigation, some landscape rocks, and tie that one all together.